the one who's still adding the lead details manually into your Zoho Bigin CRM, then it's time for an upgrade. So you have to create a simple automation, or you can say connection, between the platform using which you're collecting the lead details and your CRM in such a way that whenever you receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details will be added as a new contact in your Zoho Bigin. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, go grab on your laptops, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of contacts for free using Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And first, I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the triggered application, choose it as Google Ads if you're collecting the lead details using Google Ads. Otherwise, choose your application right over here. For the event, select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now it has given us the webhook URL. So what you have to do, you just have to copy the webhook URL and then open your Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, I've added the lead form because the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is going to happen using this lead form only. And over here in this lead form, I've collected the details of the leads such as name, email and phone number. You have to collect it according to your own choice. Apart from that, you just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this and you're going to see the option where you can add the webhook URL. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow right over here in this webhook URL field and enter the key. And then click on this send test data, and it is saying test data sent. So let's just open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the connection, or you can see the proof of the connection which we have created between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect over here. So I'll just let you know that over here you have two options. Now you can move on further using the test details like I am going to do, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. But over here, if you want to create this automation only for your real leads, then you have to click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, and then wait until you receive a real lead in real time. That can be a time consuming process. So I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details. It is going to work perfectly fine for your real leads too. You just have to click on this add new action step now and search for Zoho Bigin over here. So I'm just going to search for the same right over here and select the same application. For the event, I'm going to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created this connection between Zoho Bigin and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho Bigin. Now it is asking for the domain. So to get this domain, just open your Zoho Bigin account and over here after this begin dot, you're going to see domain of your account. So for me, it is zoho.in. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here in my workflow. Your domain can be anything from below. After you paste the domain, click on this save and your Zoho Bigin account will show something like this. So over here, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. View, access and manage the modules information in the organization. View and manage the metadata information. To read and create, upgrade and delete users in the organization API. To read the ORG, to read, create, update and delete notifications. So what you have to do, you have to check this box which says I allow Pabbly Connect to access the above data from my Zoho account. So your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. You don't have to worry. You can just give Pabbly all the permissions. Click on this accept, and once you click on this accept, your account will be connected. After this account is connected, what you have to do, you just have to choose the owner and then one by one enter the lead details. But always a hack that you don't have to enter the lead details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So first of all, as you can see, only this last name is required because it has the star in front of it. Rest of the details are not required, but if you have the details of your lead, you can definitely fill it it out right over here. You just have to put a slash, search for the details of your lead and fill it out right over here. If you're mapping the test data, make sure that you only map the string value. Okay, now after entering the details which we had, we're just going to scroll and you're going to see the option of the save and send test request. So click on this and you're going to see yes, we have received the positive response which says success. This means that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho Bigin. So let's open our contact list, and I have only 2 contacts right over here, but once I'm just going to refresh this contact list, you're going to see new contact details are added, be it the name, be it the email, or you can also see the phone number. The details are exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we have created right now. And yes, like this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly a new contact will be created in Zoho Bigin. I don't have to do this manually anymore. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. And for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. If you found the video helpful, do hit the like button. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.